Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you paper pickup problem in this Canon printer MF3010. So as you can see, if I click on the copy, and you will see here from the inside it is moving, but it's not picking up the paper. So how to solve this issue? First of all, shut down this printer, power off, and then open this, and then after that this cover, open it up and remove this toner carefully. And after that, as you can see here, this rubber, if you see closely, and you will see lots of dirt in this rubber. So what we have to do is, first of all, we have to remove this rubber carefully. I will show you closely. You will see two locks here. You must have two minus screw like this, and remove these locks from this roller. And you can remove it easily, and you will see behind this lots of dirt here, dust. If you see here, you have to clean this with the brush, and after that we'll have to check carefully. If it is fine, then we can wash it with the water. And we will clean it with the water and a little bit of washing powder you can use with the brush. So clean it carefully, all the sides. After cleaning, we will fix back carefully. You can see here. Now we'll put back toner. Now we will copy this one. We'll try to copy, and you will see it is printing normally like before. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.